Alright, so as I talked about before, there's an error in my code. Not necessarily an error in my logic, okay? But in my code, there's definitely an error in my code. In some languages, this will work. In C++, this will not work. There's one more step I have to do in C++. And if you haven't figured it out yet, pause the video if you want to figure it out, because I'm about to reveal the answer. Is declaration. We have to declare all variables. We did not declare the variable name. Alright. So in C++, we actually need another step. In Python or scripting languages, many scripting languages, this would work just fine. We wouldn't need to do it as a separate step. But since we're working with C++, I'm going to draw a line here and say I'm going to need to add another step. So we're going to start. And now to do a process, we use a rectangle. So we got declaration is a type of process. So we're going to say let name, we're going to say be a string. We got to declare that we're letting name be a string. Alright? Alright. I could say be string. Let name be string. Alright. Be shorter. And now I can do the rest of the code as I had it before. So now it works just fine. Now that I've declared what name is. So in C++, I have to declare what name is going to be. So now I can get a name. And also I can put my code, my message to the screen. Hello plus name. And now I can end my program. Or stop my program. Alright. Now this modifies my pseudocode also a little bit. Alright. Modifies my pseudocode a little bit. And so my pseudocode now is going to look like one, of course, start. My second line, of course, now is let name be string. String. Alright. And then 3, I'm going to say put hello plus name. No, get. I was following the lines here. So this should be get name. Alright. And 4, this should be put hello plus name. And now we got 5 steps. Stop. Alright, instead of rewriting this, I'm going to, because it's no numbers, I'm gonna jump in here and say I need to do another pound include right here. String. Include the string library that allows me to use something like string. Right? And then I'm going to say string name right here. That fixes the error in my code, so I hope you can read that. Right. And so now it's 4 lines inside my main instead of 3. String name, cin name, cout, hello name, and then return 0. So now I have 2 programs. So in the next video, we're going to try implementing these in code and see how it goes.